guys, this is Young and today I'm back with Mavic Air 2. And what a glorious morning, the sunshine. Actually, it's a little hot here. But today I'm going to talk about the major update that Mavic Air 2 has. And now I really do think Mavic Air 2 is more powerful than ever before. Actually, the update was last week. However, we've had the craziest monsoon season that lasted for about 50 days. Now the sun is back and I can go and fly the drone and show you some beautiful sights from here. So let's go back a few hours and I'll talk about 4 main updates for Mavic Air 2. So the first update is 4K hyperlapse. Hurrah! Makes me so happy because now I'm able to download the 4K finished hyperlapse to my phone and then do whatever I want with it, upload, etc. Not the 1080p. DJI engineers have seemed to heard my prayer and then they came up with 4K in addition to 1080p that already existed, but I wasn't entirely happy with the resolution, as well as 8K resolution, which my computer cannot handle. 4K is the sweet spot, it's the resolution that we all wanted, and now it's added. First, I want to show you what I'm seeing inside the DJI Fly app. And near the bottom at the resolution, now we can see 4K resolution. In this environment, the cloud is actually moving quite fast, so I'm gonna just leave the interval at 3 seconds. The length of the video, I do want it 10 seconds, which is actually nice and long. And here I'm just going straight to the bridge, so I'm just gonna use the course lock hyperlapse. So alright, let's get flying. And here's the result. I thought the hyperlapse was a little shaky considering that it's not a very windy day. Maybe there's something DJI engineers need to still think about. And on to the second point. Take a guess. Yes, zoom function, which makes it super handy. You can use 2x zoom at 4K as well as 2.7K resolution and up to 4 times at 1080p. Check out the resolutions here. In the video menu, you can see the wide option and zoom option. After selecting the zoom option, you can further change the zoom 1 times, 2 times, or even 4 times at 1080p by clicking this button. It's super handy when you don't want to get up too close to the subject, you know, for safety reason or non-disturbance reason, etc. It sort of makes Mavic Air 2 like Mavic 2 Zoom. It's a great addition, digital zoom, but the quality is definitely usable.
One of the major updates for Mavic Air 2 is obstacle avoidance action. In the normal mode, now you can set the drone to either bypass the obstacle or brake in front of obstacles. Here I have disabled the sideways flight and I want to see if the drone will fly up above the building. Oh, it's not stopping. It's not stopping. Okay, I'm not gonna risk it. I'll just stop here.
Okay, I wasn't sure what happened there. Maybe the structure was way too big for it to recognize as an obstacle. And I didn't want to risk anything because, you know, I don't own the building. So I'm just gonna sacrifice myself and then try the new features on the obstacle avoidance on me.
First, let me try the brake mode. It should stop in front of me and already the drone is recognizing obstacles. That's why it's keep on beeping. Excellent. Next, I'm trying the bypass mode. So the drone should recognize me. I'm only pushing the drone forward towards me and the drone recognized me and went over me. So I'm just going to set up my Insta360 Go to show you the side views. The final major update that I want to highlight in this video is the improvement of active tracking at low altitude. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna run around, prance around, and hopefully the drone will follow me fine. Mavic Air 2 is doing a great job. Oh well, until I totally disappeared on the parasol.
Alright, that's it from me. And by the way, the park that I'm in right now is the Yosu Expo Park. It held Expo in 2010. Okay, back to the drone. And did you guys enjoy the new features of Mavic Air 2? Is this something that you're really happy about? I'm really happy about it, and that's exactly why I actually keep on buying DJI products, because I know DJI engineers will be releasing new features, additional features, something that will improve the product over time even after the purchase. That's fantastic. So I'll keep coming back reviews on the drones and the gadgets, so please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you! It's hot.